Good morning, children. Today, all of you open your workbook, volume 1 workbook, page number 8. Workbook, page number 8. Okay, see here. Fill in the blank spaces in the given flowchart. Show that the tongue is a sense organ. In your textbook, they are given the flowchart. Okay, showing that tongue is a sense organ. See here, dash birds are present for the sense of. Dash birds will present taste birds. Dash birds means taste birds are responsible for the sense of. Okay. What are the traditional tastes? There are 4 traditional tastes. Those are bitter, చేదు, sour, పులుపు, salt, ఉప్పుదనం, sweet, తీయదనం. Okay, taste buds are responsible for the sense of bitter, sour, salt, sweet. These traditional tastes are present in tiny bumps on the tongue. What are the tiny bumps are called the papillae. These are present in papillae. Okay, on the surface of the papillae is on the surface of the tongue. Okay, this is the flowchart. Taste buds are responsible for the sense of traditional taste, bitter, sour, salt, sweet. These are present in papillae. On the tongue there are tiny bumps, so it is rough. The tiny bumps are called the papillae. This papillae is present on the surface of the tongue. Okay. Now come to the next one. State whether the following statements are true or false. Here they are given some statements. You must tell whether it is true or false. Come to the first one. We can't hear some sounds. Anni sounds kuda manam vinalemo. That is true. First one is true. Okay, first statement is true. Yes, we can't hear some sounds. Next, carrots improves the sense of hearing. Carrots anta sense of hearing ni improve chestayanta. Is it correct? No, it is false. Carrots improve the sense of sight, but here they have given the hearing, so it is false. Next, tongue piercing is not a good practice. Tongue మీద కుట్లు వేసుకొని మొగలయ్యి పెట్టుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. It is not a good practice. Yes, it is true. Next one, ophthalmologist cures skin disease. Ophthalmologist anta skin disease ni cure chestaranta. Is it correct? No, it is false. Ophthalmologist cure eye diseases. Dermatologist cure skin diseases. Here they are given ophthalmologist for skin, so the statement is false. Next one, all the living things have sense organs. Yes, all the living things will have sense organs. True. Okay, true, false, true, false, true. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Sense organs are dash of our body. Sense organs anta మన బాడీకి ఎలా పనిచేస్తాయి? Sense organs are like windows to our body. Windows. Okay, next one, dash is a ball shaped sense organ. ball shaped sense organ is eye, kannu. Okay, next, the largest organ that protects our body is, ఒక సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్ అనేది మన బాడీని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. దట్ సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్ ఈజ్ స్కిన్. థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ స్కిన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, అకార్డింగ్ టు ఆయుర్వేద ద టేస్ట్స్ ఆర్ డాష్ ఇన్ నెంబర్. ఆయుర్వేద ప్రకారం టేస్ట్లు ఎన్ని? ఓకే, bitter, sour, salt, sweet, astringent and pungent. According to Ayurveda, there is six number of tastes. Next, dash is the thin membrane present in the ear. Ear లో ఉండే పల్చటి పొరని thin membrane ఏమంటారు? Ear drum. Ear drum. Okay, these are the true or false. This is about windows are the sense organs are like windows to our body. Eye is ball shaped. Skin is the largest sense organ that protects our body. According to Ayurveda, there are 6 number of tastes. That the thin membrane in the ear is called the ear drum. Okay, today homework is read this true or false and fill in the blanks. Okay, read true or false and fill in the blanks and write one time these fill in the blanks. Okay, in your any paper or in the notebook and upload it in the homework. Thanks.